In this video, we'll show you how to add a related record. Let's start with a phone call from a contact. Once you've found the contact, we'll click the plus sign on the Call subpanel to open a drawer that comes down from the top of the page. We'll enter all the information about the call and click Save. And now you can see the call record in the Calls panel on this contact record. Then we'll navigate down to the opportunity we created earlier in a subpanel and open the opportunity and scroll down to the Quotes subpanel and click the plus sign on the subpanel you want to add a related record to. This will open a new page for the quote. Notice the opportunity name is already pre-filled. After we enter a few basic quote fields, we'll show you how to add a new item to the quote. To add a line item to the quote, simply select the item in the product catalog in the Intelligence panel and then add the quantity. Once all the fields are completed as needed, click the Save button. To view the quote, select Quote under the Download PDF option in the Record Action menu. The PDF will open in another tab in your browser. And that's how you add a related record.